Hello everybody, Jack Rock and Roll Amps. As I've mentioned in other past videos, I love the Marshall 2203 or JCM800. I've worked on a couple hundred of these over the years, and occasionally you get one that just doesn't sound good, and then the problem is to try and figure out why. So anyway, I did a lot of research into this amp. I did a few modifications to it, checked all the voltages, blah blah blah, current, but this is what the amp sounds like now. It's I call it lightly modified because these amps, if you talk to 50 different techs, you're going to get 50 different opinions about how far you should go in modding these. This particular one, I wanted everything to be reversible. So that the customer has the option if he ever wants to put it back to stock. All of these things are reversible. Some of these mods have been around since the dawn of the JCM800, or even before that when the 2203 came out. So anyway, these are what I call they're light mods, but increases the amount of gain, smooths out some of the top end, gives some of that low end, lower mids push, just all around great sound. Now the amp, as you can see, the volume is very low, and it still sounds great. So here you go. The amp is plugged into a Marshall 412 cabinet. Only two of the 12s are on. They're G1265s, vintage. It's being mic'd by Sennheiser E609. No effects have been used, except I may add reverb after the fact. Thanks for listening. I could practically talk over this, so I could make it even lower. Okay, let's make it a little bit louder. That's killer. let's bring up the gain to another half a notch. I'm going to lower the volume just a little. I'm going to roll back the volume control on the guitar to about 4. Bring up a little bit of bass. The guitar is still on 3. Now it's on 4. Okay, let's put this on about 8, which is usually about the most I like to go. Bring up the mids a little, take down the treble, take down the presence. Put this on about 6, bring up the volume a little bit. And the amp it's loud, but it's not that loud. I mean, you can see it's only on like 1 or 1.5.